Jharkhand, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to address public meetings in Akola, followed by an election rally in Nanded. On the other hand, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge to kick off his election campaign tour in Nagpur, Maharashtra. Meanwhile, Home Minister Amit Shah and Congress leader Rahul Gandhi are also hitting and kick-starting the campaign trail. They are going to commence election campaign tour in Jharkhand as well. All right. My colleague Sanjay Sharma joins me live on the broadcast. Sanjay, very good morning to you. And what it seems like is also another hectic day for Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who's going to be now addressing two rallies. When we talk about the poll-bound states of Maharashtra and Jharkhand, what exactly the schedule looks like and what is there for, in fact, the BJP cadres and the party supporters to expect from today?
देखिए, अगले एक हफ्ते में प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी 7 दिनों में लगभग 14 रैलियों को, चुनावी रैलियों को संबोधित करेंगे, क्योंकि 13 तारीख को और 20 तारीख को झारखंड में मतदान है। साथ ही साथ 20 तारीख को पूरे महाराष्ट्र में एक साथ वोट डालने। तो महाराष्ट्र आज जा रहे हैं प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी। 2 जगह रैलियां होंगी उनकी, अकोला में, नांदेड़ में, वहां पर चुनावी रैलियां होंगी। इसके बाद कल जाने वाले वो रांची, जहां पर प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का रोड शो होगा। साथ ही साथ जमशेदपुर भी जाएंगे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी। तो लगातार प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी की अब चुनावी रैलियां बनी हुई है। एक दिन में 2 रैलियां कर रहे हैं प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी। कुछ जगहों पर रोड शो करते हुए नजर आएंगे। मुंबई में भी रोड शो करेंगे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी। तो लगातार उनका चुनावी कैंपेन अब शुरू हो चुका है। साथ ही साथ बीजेपी ने भी अपने तमाम स्टार प्रचारकों को चुनावी मैदान में उतार दिया है। चाहे स्मृति ईरानी की बात करें, अमित शाह की बात करें, जेपी नड्डा की बात करें, सभी नेता चुनावी मैदान में उतर चुके हैं। राजनाथ सिंह भी चुनावी मैदान में उतर चुके हैं। तो सभी सारे के सारे नेता, क्योंकि अगले 8 दिन का खेल बचा हुआ है, क्योंकि अगर 20 तारीख को मतदान है तो 18 तारीख से ही वहां पर चुनाव प्रचार खत्म हो जाएगा। तो अगले 8 दिनों में ही झारखंड और महाराष्ट्र का चुनावी फैसला हो जाएगा। चुनावी रैलियों में 20 तारीख को मतदान होना है, 23 तारीख को रिजल्ट।
All right, Sanjay, thank you for adding these details. Now I also have my colleague Anand Singh live on the broadcast. Anand, very good morning. And what seems to be looking like a day, for very hectic day for the BJP in both the states, certainly for the Congress as well, which has in fact also kick-started in full force its campaign trail. Rahul Gandhi is also going to be holding rallies and addressing the people in Jharkhand and Maharashtra. Share more details about it.
Since yesterday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi made an intro into Maharashtra, and he addressed 2 of the public meetings, first in Dhule and then in Nasik. And today also the Prime Minister Modi will be holding 2 of the public meetings, first in Akola and the second one in Nanded. And then beside Prime Minister Narendra Modi, it will be Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, who will be first addressing a press conference in Nagpur, and then he will be going to Amravati to address a public meeting, and from there he will once again return to Nagpur and address a public meeting for his party candidate Nitin Raut. Mallikarjun Kharge will be holding 2 public meetings here in Maharashtra and addressing a press conference over here. Beside the 2 big leaders, one definitely the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and another being Kharge, the campaign in Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis will be holding 4 of the public meetings in Maharashtra, and it will be in Gogapur, Sambhajinagar and 2 more places. And even if we talk about Shiv Sena UBT chief Uddhav Thackeray, he will be also addressing 2 of the public meetings. One he will be addressing at 3 p.m. in Hingoli, and the second one at 7 p.m. in Parbhani. And his son Aditya Thackeray, who is contesting from the Worli Assembly seat in Mumbai, so he will be also holding a campaign trail here in Mumbai Worli seat, and he will be meeting with number of people and his voters, because after filing his nomination, this is the first time that Aditya Thackeray is coming to this assembly seat to meet the people and ask them to vote for him. And even the 2 chief ministers of Congress, that is Telangana Chief Minister A. Revant Reddy and Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu, they, along with Karnataka Deputy CM DK Shivakumar, will be holding a press conference at the party headquarters here at Tilak Bhavan in Mumbai. Beside that, Smriti Irani, who is a former union minister of the BJP, she will be holding a press conference at BJP headquarters over here. So definitely it's going to be a very big day for all the political parties in Maharashtra, especially given the fact that the elections are just 12 days, now 11 days away, and the campaigning will end on 18th of November by 5 p.m. So all the parties are putting their best stars in the campaign trail so that they can go and address more and more public meetings to woo the voters and explain their report card. As we have seen yesterday that how Prime Minister Narendra Modi had targeted the Mahavikas Aghadi government here in the alliance also, that how they were not allowing the development work to happen and how they were dividing the people of the state. So this is how the Prime Minister Narendra Modi had put a clear-cut picture of how the BJP's campaign will be in Maharashtra.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.